Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Do these Drain Weasel units really work well? If you put them down the drain, flex them in, do they really entrap a bunch of junk and pull it up? Ooh, but if it opens up the drain right away, it may be a great solution for you. Let's find out. Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. You've probably seen these in the home improvement centers or maybe your favorite grocery retailer. They're showing up all over the place. These are made by our friends at FlexiSnake. There's a whole line of different products they make to get drains clear, but this is one of their flagship products. We've used it for a while with great results. We used to have an Airbnb, and that meant a lot of clogged drains, especially lavatory sinks and showers. So we started using these, but I'm going to put it to the test right here in a real life situation, and we're going to see if it works well for you. Before we do though, I want to mention just a little bit about the pricing on these. You can buy them directly from flexisnake.com, but they tend to be a little bit more expensive there. You can actually go over to Amazon or to the big box stores. The latest place I saw it was homedepot.com. And you can get either one of these sets depending if their sale is going on. This whole unit right here with a handle and some starter wands for between $6 and $10, and refills like this for about the same price, $6 to $8, something like that, at the time of filming. There's simple directions on the back of how to install them, how to use them. And what you're actually doing is using one of these wands in a crate handle so you can rotate it down into the drain and extract usually hair clogs. That is usually the culprit that is happening in the shower and in a lavatory. And that is not, these won't reach down further down for major clogs, but for a lot of the stuff that plagues us homeowners, these can really help. All right, let's put it to use and I'll show you how to set it up, how to use it, and the results. Before we jump into the use of the Drain Weasel, there's other ways that you can approach hair clogs, and that's using drain cleaners like Drano. This is one that more commercial plumbers use, Thrift, that is activated by hot water. But how these work is by creating highly caustic solutions, very alkaline, that will tear into hair and dissolve it. But we have found that for most of everything we need here, we're able to use the Drain Weasel, which is a mechanical method of retrieving the clog and getting it out instantly with no waiting period, no splashback, no handling of dangerous chemicals. Depending on whether you're really squeamish or not, these wands are sold as a one-time use, but sometimes the cheap side of me makes it real easy to clean them off. If you got a weak stomach and that hair looks there, you can just throw it out if you so desire. But one way or another, this flexible plastic wand with hook and loop type of material, this is the hooky side, is put on the end here, and then this is inserted into this handle, this crate handle. To do so, there is a male and female side here, positive and negative. So what we do is we put the two together like that, slide the handle down, and make it so that you can crank it. So now you can see this rotates and grabs on. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and feed it down into the drain. Let's do that and see what we get. All right, this lavatory sink has been running just a little bit slow. And I'm going to warn you, there's a little bit of a ew factor, but hey, if you're going to be self-reliant, you got to do these kind of things. This happens to swivel to the side a little bit here. Most of these right here, the gap is too tight to go ahead and insert these right in, but not to worry. These caps usually unscrew like that, giving you access into the drain. And I like to run just a little bit of water there, so if something breaks loose that is not going to clog further down, it'll run down the drain. But let's go ahead and insert this, and we're just going to start cranking as we go down in to see what we get. And we're going past the, we're in the P-trap now underneath. I'm going to go ahead and pull up. Let's see what we got. Okay, just a little bit right there, but there is some. Let's go down the other side here. I'm going to rotate. We're fishing for gunk. There we go. As you can see, that one was a little bit more productive. Ugh. We'll go down this one right here real quick. Again, rotating. And you can see we've pulled out a significant amount of junk out of that. This is a little bit stenchy, as you can see right there. And if you so desire, you can clean it off, or you simply can unhook it up here, discard it, and reload. But this is a very productive way. Again, I'm going to turn on my sink here. It's running clear, very clear, and that has been greatly helped. We'll go ahead and put the lid back on, which is going to impede some of the flow. Well, as you can see, the Drain Weasel is very effective at removing hair for these kind of clogs. But do you know there's another use? Check out this episode where we show you how to remove dryer lint that's made its way down that may be slowing down how fast your dryer does the drying of the clothes, or to eliminate fire dangers. Check it out there. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com with better running plumbing, I'll tell you that.